Do you know how to find your 2024 music recap playlist? If your top playlist with your most played songs doesn't show up in your music recap for this year, I'll show you 2 ways to find it. First, open YouTube and click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll find your music recap. Click on it. Somewhere in the middle of your recap, you should see your playlist. If it's not there, swipe to the end. Then, click on Go to Music. This will open the YouTube Music app. YouTube Music is the default app, but if you don't have it, make sure to install it. Be logged into the same account you use for YouTube. Scroll down a bit, and here you'll find your recap playlist. From there, you can play the songs in the playlist and see which ones made it in based on what you've listened to. The second way to access your recap playlist is by opening the YouTube Music app and clicking on Library. Here, among your playlists, you should find your 2024 recap playlist. Here's mine. If you have a music recap but no playlist, go back to your recap and, in the 7th section, click on Add to Library. This should add it. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this.